I'll tell you what, March has come in and said, hear me roar.
Hear me
I'm going to
roar.
give you 2 nor'easters in the first week.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we're watching the coast potentially next Sunday into Monday. We'll
Get
kind of
there.
put
Get there,
that-
yeah.
we'll get there
Right.
when we
I
get
hear
there.
you.
But let's take a look at what's happening with this next storm, because certainly coming on the heels of what happened Friday, this is not a welcome piece of news for most people out there. And look outside right now. We'll start off with the good stuff, and it's a beautiful evening outside. Ocean City looking pretty quiet. You can see the tide coming in. The sunset looks great. No problems out there, a little breeze, but the winds are dying down tonight, and the first half of today looks quiet as well. Then the clouds move in, and that's when you know our next storm will be approaching. Here's Storm Scan 3 showing you where that system is right now. You can see the center of circulation over portions of the northern plains. A secondary piece of energy will form off the coast, and this will form much like the system we had on Friday, with one low to the west and a secondary low off the coast. All the energy transfers to the coastal low, and that's what will throw back enough moisture into that cold air to produce some locally heavy snow for us. So here's what this looks like. By 9 o'clock tomorrow, that's when we'll start to see the first little pieces of precipitation. This is generally light rain around 9 o'clock tomorrow evening near the city, light snow in the Poconos, possibly a wintry mix to the north and west. Precipitation stays light until mid-morning Wednesday. That's when we could see a band of actually heavy rain develop over portions of South Jersey and into the city. Now, we got to watch how quickly this changeover happens. That will hold the key to how much snow is going to fall. But likely by noon or 1 o'clock, it is snowing at a very, very good clip all across the region. You can see from the Lehigh Valley right on down to Philadelphia and the suburbs. Still seeing some rain down the shore. Heading through the afternoon, though, 3 p.m., we start to see some banding set up over portions of South Jersey. Still snowing at a good clip in our western suburbs, and then starting to wrap up by 4 or 5 o'clock. By 6 o'clock, the heaviest snow lifts toward New York City, and then by 11 o'clock Wednesday evening, most of the snow is over with, ending certainly through the overnight hours into Thursday morning. But this is going to leave behind a brief, heavy dump of snow through the afternoon hours. We call it a thump. That's when snow falls very heavily. Short period of time, usually between 11 and 7 is the peak intensity, but the snow could fall at the rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Assume 2 inches per hour over the course of 4 hours. You're talking 8 inches of snow right there. So again, it starts between 9 o'clock and midnight tomorrow night. The heaviest is Wednesday midday into the early evening. Major travel problems all day Wednesday. The storm moves away by Thursday morning. Now, we've set our confidence meter here moderate, because we do know that we're going to see significant totals. Likely someone in our area will end up with close to a foot of snow, possibly even more. What we have to see is just how much that mixing sets up over South Jersey, whether that will hold down the totals at all for these areas, and how long that banding. You got to watch where the band's set up. That's going to be your heaviest snow. I'm thinking that a bullseye is going to set up just north and west of Philadelphia. Those are the areas that are most likely to see close to a foot of snow. As far as wind gusts are concerned, we will see a brief intensification of wind during the storm. Winds gusting to 30, possibly 40 miles an hour. Not as bad as the last storm, but more heavy, wet snow pasted to trees and branches. Winds gust to 40 miles an hour. Trees are already weakened. The ground is saturated, and that means another round, not quite as widespread, but another round of downed trees and wires cannot be ruled out with this system. Again, less wind, more snow. That's the hallmark when you compare this system to Friday's storm. So Wednesday, heavy snow through the afternoon, mixing with rain at first, changing to all snow by midday. Thursday, a few lingering flurries. Friday, a late day snow shower possible. Then it's a quiet start to the weekend. That's some good news. And we do spring forward over the weekend, which means these daylight hours are going to last a little bit longer at this time next week. So there's a tiny bit of good news in
the
this
silver
forecast.
lining.
Yeah, there you go. Little one. But
All right.